Is it true that you were diagnosed as being dyslexic?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How did you continue studying? उसके बाद
I was told, shockingly, I was told after I graduated from high school.
आपको तभी पता नहीं था,
जी नहीं, मुझे बताया तक नहीं था उन्होंने.
लेकिन वो पढ़ाई करते समय आपको तो कुछ तो दिक्कत हुआ.
इतनी दिक्कत तो नहीं हुई थी. There were special classes they used to send me to, but I thought it was something else. When I graduated high school is when they told me that, oh, by the way, you were this and we've been treating you for it. I said, okay, great. So it didn't really make it a big deal for me, and it never became an excuse. I never got any special privileges. I think the only privileges I got is I used to get extra time on my examinations. But I never even realized that. And once they told me after I graduated, तब जाके समझ में आया कि oh अच्छा. So you couldn't use it as an excuse. I was treated like a normal kid.
Okay. So at a very early age आप boarding school, you joined boarding school.
जी.
तभी cell phones नहीं था.
नहीं.
There was no connectivity.
No.
तो how were you in touch? Daddy मम्मी letters लिखते थे?
Every week I used to write letters to my parents and they used to respond. So that, and then when you had some pocket money that you could make a international call, we used to make a phone call. वो भी 10 दिन में शायद एक बार या. आप लोग इतने व्यस्त रहते हैं ना स्टूडेंट लाइफ में, बोर्डिंग स्कूल योर 24 आवर्स, फुर्सत भी नहीं मिलती है. बट आई स्पीक टू देम once a week or once every 10 days, but every week we used to write letters.
What were you as a student? Were you naughty? ऐसे कभी situation
I don't know if I was naughty, लेकिन मेरे
पेरेंट्स को बुलाया गया स्कूल में?
हाँ जी.
पेरेंट्स को स्कूल में बुलाया? You know when children are naughty, the
No,
parents,
not like that. नहीं.
कभी हुआ नहीं ऐसे?
नहीं. I was always interested in sports and dramatics. So if there was a school play going on, my whole life revolved around that. That took priority. I was very much into sports. I used to play basketball. I used to ski. I used to do athletics. So I was always more interested in that. I'm a very keen learner, Mark. I'm very interested in learning. I don't know if I was a very dedicated student, but I think I'm a keen learner.
Okay.
Yeah, I enjoy learning new things. Even today, I love reading up on stuff. I like discovering new things.
I know that.
Yeah.
What was your relationship with your sister Shweta when you were small? Was it
जब आप छोटे हैं तो हम लोग झगड़ते रहते हैं. हम आज भी झगड़ते ही रहते हैं.
मारा मारी?
नहीं मारा मारी कभी नहीं. See, हम दोनों के बीच में सिर्फ 2 साल का
2 साल के फर्क.
तो we were normal, but we were very, very close. I've always looked upon Shweta as a mother figure to me. After my mom, she's always taking care of me. स्कूल में हो, फिर कॉलेज में भी हम लोग एक साथ पढ़ते थे बॉस्टन में. तो हम लोग जितने भाई बहन तो झगड़ते रहते हैं, लेकिन प्यार हमारा जो है और अंडरस्टैंडिंग जो है वो बहुत ही मजबूत है.
सर आपसे वादा किया था ना कि इस साल के मॉडल पर आपका पहला आके बस वही लाने गया था.
वेलकम टू रिलायंस डिजिटल. यहाँ अजनबी से दोस्ती तक टेक्नोलॉजी और इंडिया का रिश्ता जुड़ता है.
When you were growing up, ऐसे कुछ 3-4 ट्रॉमेटिक सिचुएशंस थे आपके लाइफ में, डैडी की लाइफ में. 1982 कूली का एक्सीडेंट.
जी.
ओके. When he had, मुझे याद है कि न्यूज़पेपर्स हेडलाइन भी तैयार किया था कि अमिताभ बच्चन नो मो. तो आप पे क्या उस समय पे क्या
कुछ याद नहीं है.
याद नहीं. You must have been
मैं 6 साल का था.
6?
मैं 6 साल का था.
But were you aware?
I remember that night vividly.
Very critical.
हम लोग बैंगलोर में शूटिंग कर रहे थे फॉर कूली. हम लोग
आप भी थे वहाँ पे तभी?
मैं था वहाँ. हम लोग वेस्ट एंड होटल में ठहरे थे जहाँ डैड ठहरते थे शूटिंग के दौरान. और हमारे कमरे में हम लोग खेल रहे थे. आई रिमेंबर देयर वाज बोस्की दीदी, श्वेदी एंड माई सेल्फ. बोस्की मेघना गुलजार, उनका घर का नाम है बोस्की, सो यूज्ड टू कॉल बोस्की दीदी. और मुझे याद है दिन में हम लोग वहीदा जी के घर जाते थे उनके बच्चों के साथ खेलने के लिए, बिकॉज़ शी यूज्ड टू लिव इन बैंगलोर एंड शी हैड अ वंडरफुल फार्म हाउस जस्ट आउटसाइड बैंगलोर. वी यूज्ड टू गो प्ले देयर. शाम को लौट के हम लोग घर पे वेट कर रहे थे कि डैड कब लौट के आएंगे. और आई एम वेरी क्लोज टू माई डैड एंड ही यूज्ड टू ट्रीट मी लाइक अ बडी ऑलवेज. तो उछल कूद. तो मुझे आज भी याद है वो वापस लौट के आए थे और ढेर सारे लोग थे उनके साथ एंड दे वर सपोर्टिंग हिम. सो आई वेंट टू जंप एंड गिव हिम अ हग एंड ही पुश्ड मी अवे बिकॉज ही आल्सो न्यू ही वाज हर्ट इन द स्टमक. आई डिडंट. तो मैं रूठ के बैठ गया रात भर की. बट आई स्टिल रिमेंबर दैट नाइट vividly. But I don't really remember emotionally too much after that. I just remember कि हम लोग जब भी हॉस्पिटल जाते थे to meet him, Ma and Pa had made it like it was a game.
Okay. But you weren't aware at that time कि he was
We did.
virtually...
I wasn't aware of how serious it was. देखिए, कोई अगर अब अस्पताल 2-3 महीने में से है, तो you understand that there's something wrong. But whenever I went, जब वो ICU में थे, we used to go to, you know, as a kid, you're more excited that you're getting to wear a mask and, you know, हम लोग डॉक्टर खेल रहे हैं. जब वो कमरे में थे and we used to go during visiting hours to meet him, he had all these drips and all that and he said, look, I've got kites. So we were like, wow, look at these kites. लेकिन हमें खेलने क्यों नहीं दे रहे हैं kites के साथ? You know, उन दिनों to go beyond Mahim
was a big thing.
from Juhu was a very big thing. To see Haji Ali was like, wow, there's this thing in the middle of the water. And just before Haji Ali, when you used to pass all those buildings where all the offices were, and I still remember, and can you imagine, coincidentally, they became family. I still remember escorts used to have an office.
Yeah.
और उनके ट्रैक्टर्स बिल्डिंग के अंदर होते थे, तो हमने कभी एक ट्रैक्टर बिल्डिंग के अंदर नहीं देखा था. So it was a big deal to, you know, to go to South Mumbai. और फिर ब्रीच कैंडी जाना and, you know, the view, and it was I think credit to my mom. She
held you all together.
She never, like, I don't remember seeing my mother cry. I don't remember my mother looking in a bad mood or kuch aisa nahi. She tried to normalize it as much. She didn't make it a traumatic experience at all. Okay. I can only imagine today un pe kya beet rahi thi. It must be terribly difficult. For dad, of course, but he's physically just dealing with it. But for his wife, to be holding the family together must have been an amazingly difficult task. And Ma, हम लोग ये भूल जाते, she wasn't that old. Ma was this 82, she would have been 34, 35.
In her 30s, mid-30s.
Yeah, mid-30s. And 2 young children. And so yeah, full credit to her. So I don't remember it being a very traumatic time that way, but that is because my parents never allowed it. हमें ये एहसास कभी नहीं होने दिया कि कुछ गड़बड़ है.
Subsequently also, Dad had challenges in his life. जैसे कि politics में उतरे वो. Then the Bofors case came up.
Yeah.
He resigned from there. So I know he went through a bad time.
Yeah.
He told me personally कि दादाजी asked him.
Yeah.
You used to call him Babuji. Babuji एक बार पूछे मुझे. When I asked him when he was doing Pink, so I asked him, I said, Mr. Bachchan, have you ever appeared in court personally? तो उसका कभी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था कोर्ट का, पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस. He said, एक बार गया था, I had gone to London, but before I entered the courtroom only they told me that the case is over. So these things had come up at that point of time and he was very, you know, he was disturbed, Bofors के साथ. But you all also, the family also went through it. His getting into politics, getting out of politics, shifting to Delhi, the Bofors thing, was that, did it?
I was already in boarding school.
But you were aware of what was happening.
My family has always been very open with us. When he decided to leave politics, he sat me and my sister down and said, this is what I'm thinking. This place is not for me. मुझे नहीं करना है. I'm an actor. I have to get back to basics. And that's what he did. But apart from that, I wasn't really privy to what was going on.
Okay.
Yeah. I was just at that point, like 10, 11 years old. I didn't really. I was more interested in what's going on in school.
You were a little older when the ABCL
Yes.
trouble started. Is it true? ये सच बात है कि आपने Boston University छोड़ के वापस आ गए to?
इसको इतना ग्लैमराइज भी नहीं करना चाहिए.
But is it true?
Yes.
You were there as
Yes.
an
But I
emotional
think
crutch.
that's my duty as a son. उन्होंने मुझसे सवाल पूछा कि तुम सब छोड़ छाड़ के वापस आ रहे हो, लेकिन करोगे क्या? How can you help? And I said, I can't. But at least you know that your son is standing behind you or beside you. And I came back for emotional and moral support. I felt as a son I needed to be beside my father.
I know. I was there with you at that point of time. Like
Life teaches you a lot.
it does.
And whether you like it or not, it's going to give you experiences that prepare you for your future.